Welcome to the BDQtopia video editing tutorial. Today we will learn how to create a split screen template for portrait using Filmora. So, let's dive in and get started with the tutorial. In this tutorial, I will create a template like this. Go to Stock Media and add a black solid. Set the duration as per your need. Go to Settings, and select Project Aspect Ratio. Select Aspect Ratio Portrait. Increase the size of the black solid. Now add a green solid from Stock Media. Set the size and position of the green screen accordingly. Unlock scale if you only want to change the height or width. Add another green screen, and set the size and position accordingly. You can also change the position of the green screen by using the keyboard page up and page down button. Add the third green screen, and set the size and position accordingly. You can set the gap between the green screen by changing the Y position. Add all the green screens one after another, and set their size and position accordingly. The split screen image format is ready for use. Take a snapshot. Now you can use this snapshot as a split screen image template. But you cannot use any animation. Later I will show you the difference between an image and a video template. If you want to change the border color, just remove the black solid and import another solid color. The background is not perfectly replaced. Still shows the black border. Let's check the size of the white screen. Replace the black screen with the white solid. That is the way to change the border color of the frame. Let's make this template animated. Move the playhead at the starting point and select the first green screen. Add the first keyframe. At the first keyframe position, set the X scale and Y scale values to 0. Move the playhead to the 0-second 15 frames duration. Set the X scale value to 100 and the Y scale values to 54.32. Move the playhead to the 0-second 15 frames duration. Select the second green screen. Set the Y scale value to 0. Move the playhead to the 1-second duration. Set the Y scale value to 93.04. Select the third green screen, and move playhead at the starting point. Add the first keyframe. Hide the last 3 green screen. Select the third green screen, and change the Y position. At the starting point of the timeline, this green screen will be out of the frame. Move the playhead to the 1-second duration, and set the Y position value to -104.89. Click on the show track for the fourth green screen. Move the playhead at 1-second duration, and add the first keyframe. Change the X position accordingly. Actually, this frame will start moving from the left side. Move the playhead at the 2-second duration. Set the Y position value to -370.08. Click on the show track for the 5th green screen, and move playhead to the 1-second duration. Add the first keyframe, and change the X position accordingly. Move the playhead at the 2-second duration, and set the X position value to 178.43. Select the last green screen. Move the playhead at 1-second duration, and click on the show track. Add the first keyframe and change the Y position accordingly. Move the playhead at the 2-second duration, and set the Y position value to -814.91. The split screen template is ready for use. Export the video. First, I will show how to use the split screen image template. Remove everything from the timeline and import the snapshot of the template. Add a video to the timeline and set the duration as per your requirements. Go to the AI tools and enable the chroma key. It will automatically replace the green screen with video. If do not, you have to use the pen tools. Lock the split screen template and set the position of the video accordingly. Lock the last added video track. Add the second video and position it accordingly. Follow the same procedure, populate all the videos, and change the size and position according to the frame. If needed, you can use the mask option for changing the size and position. Remember that before adding a new video to the timeline, lock the previous video track. I hope now you understand how to use a split screen image template. Now I will show you how to use a split screen video template. First, import the split screen template video we have exported. Add a video to the timeline. Keep the resolution as per project settings. Follow the same procedure as we have populated the video in the image split screen template. When you work with a split screen template, it is very important to use the lock track and show track option. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.